Hey folks, let's start by looking at the rain chances across the valley, and I don't think we see a whole lot going on today. As we go forward though, we get into the daytime hours and the chance of rain starts to increase, and then late tomorrow there's a possibility once again. So scattered showers, even a thunderstorm, a possibility, but I don't think we're looking at anything really widespread, just scattered stuff around the region. What we're watching more importantly is the stuff up to the north. If you take a peek, there's some pretty good storms now coming down from San Antonio down about halfway between there and Laredo, and that stuff is pushing southward. Now I think it falls apart before it gets here, but it certainly bears watch. There's an old frontal boundary sitting up here. Yes, a cool front in south central Texas that's probably going to stall right there, but some thunderstorms racing out ahead of it. There you see a better view of it, basically up about halfway between Laredo and San Antonio along I-35, and then San Antonio westward out of the hill country. Some pretty good storms as well. Future track takes that stuff, pushes it southward tonight, but by the time it gets here, just a leftover shower. Most of the big stuff stays way out to the west. We're going to watch it. We think it should die before it gets here, but again, could be an overnight shower with that. But then during the daytime tomorrow, it's just partly sunny with spotty thunderstorms around, but very, very isolated. The chance of rain tomorrow at about 20% during the daytime. This model earlier had some stuff coming in tomorrow evening. It doesn't have that anymore, suggesting that what we get, if anything, overnight is it. And then during the daytime Sunday, we're back to partly sunny skies again. But again, the possibility of an isolated afternoon shower or thunderstorm again on Sunday. So we're keeping that rain chance over the weekend, both days at about 20%. And I think there will be stuff around. It's just not widespread. Not everybody gets rained on. And then by Monday, the chance backs off just a little bit. These are your current temperatures right now, low 80s across the region under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow we're back in the 90s again, 94 in Harlingen, 95 in Weslaco, 96 in McAllen. Partly cloudy with that isolated storm around. 97 is the norm. We're going 95, 95, 95 the next 3 days, so we won't make it even up to the normal high. This is what your weekend forecast looks then. 95 both days, a 20% chance for a shower or perhaps that isolated thunderstorm. You see there's that line right there. That's the old front that falls apart in central Texas, but a couple of thunder showers try to race out from that. We're also tracking Isaias out in the Atlantic. Take a look. We're awfully close to Florida over the weekend as a Category 1 hurricane. Somewhere in that window, probably. 2/3 of storms stay in that window. Third of them go outside of it. And boy, I tell you what, last week we learned how close to the edge they can go. By Tuesday evening, it's up over New York City and continue to move off to the northeast from there. For tonight then, 78 for low, partly to mostly cloudy, warm and muggy. Tomorrow back up to 95. Could be a shower, even a thunder shower late tonight, then again during the daytime hours tomorrow. As you look at the next 7 days, your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast says things don't change much temperature-wise. We stay in the mid-90s by day, upper 70s by night. Best chance for a shower or two the next couple of days, and that again stands at 20%. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.